Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a group chat on Instagram, helping you clean up your inbox and manage your conversations in 2026. First, access the group settings. To manage a group chat, you first need to enter the specific conversation and access the administrative options. Open your Instagram messages and tap on the group chat you want to remove. Tap on the group name at the very top of the screen to open the chat details. Next, use the options menu. Instagram has consolidated all privacy and membership controls into a single options hub to make managing group dynamics faster in 2026. Look for the options button or the three dots icon near the top of the details page. Tap it to reveal a list of actions including leave, hide, restrict, block, or report. If you simply want to stop seeing messages, you can choose leave. This removes you from the conversation while allowing the other members to continue. If the group is spam, the report or block options will alert Instagram's safety team. Tap leave and confirm your choice to officially exit the group. Lastly, delete the thread from your inbox. Leaving the group stops new messages from arriving, but the old conversation will still sit in your message list until you manually wipe it. Navigate back to your main messages list. Tap and hold on the group chat thread. From the menu that pops up, select the delete option. A confirmation will appear. Tap delete once more, and the entire history of that group chat will be permanently removed from your view. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.